have to be. You ain't had for engine, the hearting of the heart. You may have the right to turn you on, because I blow you away. I came in to see that a happy birthday might be more than you seemed. This really fast bet might be creepy, but Nugent has a fairy bond. When you have the right text to turn you on, want to be the mom, you'll be the dad. Want to eat a shake, you will have your best to have one now. Because I'm taking you on, and it's not over. Just going on, it's hard on. It's a horrendous thing that you had to be gone to see. Now come back for no regret. Coming on. Now you've had a factory, you'll take it on. Nothing stops you from doing what you want to do. Climbing things or falling over may have none. You may see what Hudson has it all for all. You may sing this honey high sunshine away. Movies be as longer as they can. Screaming help with everybody have a H. When it has a really good nudge. When they have it more than ever, have a million. How you could have a garment share in that you so money that you really like, because I'm taking you on with a really good step and a really good step, the really song. Allah. You know the beat. Don't be stupid, you know the beat. You know the beat is not a secret that you are keeping soft warm. You know you have a little respect on the way that you just look. It's not every night they have orange. They have nothing that you will know that you have. And you will know a secret that I don't know. Every hundred something that is gone, it's gone. You start again, just do the bunch, yes, sir. Just gonna be, you know it all. You know the beat, yes, got it on. Read up a life, playing video games. It's nothing like you have, but you have a little thing. That's why we came to sing this party out with a little respect, and it's not everything that you will like. But for me, I have a little worry. Don't you know things that will keep you warm? Have a little play when it really comes on, when my songs are gone wrong. It's not urgent, it's not over. You got a conscience, son. Gotta love me, gotta love me. It's not riding guns. It's not riding guard for the news and drink on. This is the last thing I will say to you. It's nothing rather than the national sound. Have a little respect for the unheard sound. So yes, come on and finish all the stories. Got B, got B1, got B, got B1, got B, got B1. Hydrogen. It's not the secret that you don't know. It's the function that you know. It's the thing that you will have to respect. It's not a secret, it's over. It's not a secret, but over. It's not insane. It's not a secret that I don't know. It's a thing that I do know. My songs are friends, the episodes are registers that you must no. It's your head right. It's all about the rock, by the screen. I'm in love with my action, joking on, sing, action. It was one thing that you meant to say, but not. It's a secret that they don't beware. Beware of the magic castle or the traps. We are moving on to another step. Come on, run, they're hurting me, and have a little respect. Have a little knowledge and a ranch on head. It's not talent when you ranch. Now you're ready in the hydrant, having a little respect. Having a little respect. This may be the last thing I ever say to you. But know me like I'm not a secret, have me aware of my sin. It's crazy, believe me, it's true. My brothers, my urgent. Hydrogen is an incredible machine. It's my hydrogen. It's crazy, believe me, it's true. Allow me to show what my music can do. Come take a look. It's not like using just my twin. The music machine. It's not fragile, it's just a little bit of copying. I've measured my name might be lunch. Alright, welcome back to the Luke Show. Yes, we had about six songs on that soundtrack. And thank you, we upload new songs, but that was the soundtrack this week. Yeah, so we're starting doing soundtracks because I think they'll say Monkey website or comment show fan, click them out and subscribe. They do say new songs coming all the day. Well, that might not be seen for you.